खमन खाने के बाद एक गुलाब जामुन तो बनता है। आज सुबह सुबह मैं लगान देख रहा था, वो मूवी जो चंपानेर में बना, एंड इट रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ my youthful days which I spent in Baroda. Oh, the beautiful Baroda. And also, I used to love the Farsan. And one of my favorite was the spongy Khaman. So today, let's go and make this Khaman Dokla. And it is very, very easy to make. Take one bowl of chickpea flour. In this, if you want, you can also add suji. Some people add it, not everybody. So if you want, you can add a little bit of suji. Some turmeric for nice color, and finely chopped green chilli. Even green chilli paste you can add. This to give a very good taste. And you can also add pinch of hing. Add some sugar and add some lemon juice. Now add water and first make this into a thick paste so you do not have any lumps forming. Whisk it well. Let the sugar also dissolve, and we're going to let this batter rest for around 10 minutes. In the batter, add salt, add some oil. Oil will give the smoothness to the mixture, and also it helps in making the holes very nice. So mix this and you have a very smooth batter now. You can use a idli steamer, you can use a pressure cooker or anything. Pinch of soda, and this is a fruit salt. So, and add on top, add very little water. Now you will see those bubbles forming, and let those bubbles go inside. So slowly mix and you will have a frothy batter. So look at this, because the air bubbles are there, this is what will make your Khaman light and perfect. After you add this, you cannot waste any time. Pull the tray in which you are going to do that and pour this batter. Now look at this, just level it. Look at how smooth, cakey batter this has become. Put this in the double boiler, put the lid on, shut it and forget it. In like the same amount of time you make idli, maybe little more time, and your Khaman Dokla will be ready and it will be nice and spongy. This special Ganga Ben chutney, the coriander chutney, in which what she does is she'll take some of the cucumber, cut into small pieces cucumber. In this, add sugar, green chilli, salt, and in this we are going to add some coriander. In this, if you want, you can add a little bit of mint. You can add some chaat masala and a little bit of jeera powder. Okay, that's it. And blend it, and you will have this awesome sweet chutney. This is the beautiful, the sweet tikka coriander chutney. I'm telling you, add that cucumber and you will see the difference. Kemcho bhai. This is awesome Gujarati chutney. No double dipping. ये तीखा चटनी खाने के बाद दसरा का टाइम वो जो गरबा होता है वो याद आ गया. वो This Khaman reminds me of those wonderful days in Gujarat, especially my awesome friends Kavita Vasavada, Chabi, Prakash, Hina, Sanju Nair, and so many of my friends. Shout out to all of them. And आजकल तो मेरा यही चल रहा है, मेरा गरबा, मेरा बीवी खेलती है रोज मेरे साथ गरबा. Now, after 15 minutes, I'm going to switch off the flame. Green chutney is ready, the dokla is ready. We're going to do the tadka for it later, but we need to make gulab jamun. For this, we're going to make sugar syrup. Take sugar and just add water to cover the sugar. Okay, do not add too much water, and bring it to a boil, and the consistency will be good. The sugar syrup, we will flavor it with cardamom. Put in the ding chick, iski aisi ki, and add this to sugar syrup. This is a store bought gulab jamun powder. In this, add milk, or even you can add water. So you have to make this into a soft dough. Look at this. Now, if you add less of moisture, your balls will not be smooth. So for that small smoothness, you got to add the right amount of moisture, and do not knead it too much. Just 1 minute of mixing should be good enough. Once you mix it, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we're going to make the rounds. The size you want, you can make it small. So all you need to do is take it in hand like this, press it once and release it, and then make it round. it will come out nice and perfect. Rotate it like this, make it round, and look at it, perfect. Make like this, and you're going to fry it in a medium hot oil. The technique is all in frying the gulab jamuns, and rotate the oil, and the oil has to be, not hot, it has to be medium hot. Then drop the jamuns. After dropping them, just keep rotating the oil, and slowly the gulab jamuns have to rise slowly. Only then you will get the jamuns nicely evenly colored, and the jamuns will become double in the size, and the even coloring you will get because of this rotation of the oil. Lot of times when people do the gulab jamun, their inside will not be cooked. That is because you cook it at a high temperature. Cook it on a slow temperature for little longer time, then even till inside the gulab jamuns will get cooked. Nice, perfect, shiny gulab jamuns. Just drop it in the sugar syrup, okay, and let them sit in the gulab jamun syrup for some time, and they will start absorbing the syrup. Cut the dokla into nice pieces. Once it is slightly cooled, they cut like sponge. Wow, look at this, beautiful. Oh, perfect. Use a sharp knife and cut them, and you have to look at these pieces, look at the sponginess, beautiful. Look at all these beautiful pieces. We are going to do a sweet tadka, and it is going to be just awesome. For the sweet tadka, add oil in a pan. In this, it's very simple. Add some mustard seeds. The mustard seeds need to splutter. In this, add green chilli, the curry leaf, a little bit of hing, and in this, add some sugar and add water. Let the sugar dissolve. Add salt. Finale. I think little bit of lime juice, and this is what going to be the very tasty topping on top of the the khaman. See, these khaman, they drink in this juices and they become nice and soft. You're supposed to add coriander, but that's okay. Wow, this is what my favorite Khaman Dokla is. So let's eat. Look at this gulab jamun. Aha. And wow, all the gulab jamuns. So each gulab jamun should be like a masterpiece. Each gulab jamun should be begging you, come on, eat me, eat me, eat me. Spongy Dokla. Wow, look at them. They are like, this chutney is a miracle chutney. Okay? And with that chutney, life is absolutely jingalala.
Dip it.
Dip it with the chutney. Wow. The sweet chutney with the juicy khaman. The khaman. Wow. Absolutely. Lot of great food I had in Gujarat, especially the Undiyu festivals. My God, each one of those is so delicious. And my shout out for Nikunj Bhatt and Mrs. Nikunj Bhatt. They are so lovely. Whenever we used to go to their home, she used to make like such a thin rotli. My God. India being such a vast country, and in each state there is some tastiest of the food. And I suggest you try this. Eat it this way. And once you eat it, you will say, Kem cho maja mache. Khaman खाने के बाद एक गुलाब जामुन तो बनता है. एक जामुन से क्या होगा? कम से कम 6-7 तो खाना चाहिए. वाह. Look at it. It's sucked in the juices, baby. You suck in this. When you eat such awesome food, you got to say, ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka.